here. Hi guys, welcome to Trade with Concrete. My name is Concrete Solomon, and today we are going to do what we know how to do best again. So today is 6th of June 2026, and remember this is not the first time Bitcoin is touching the 59k region this year. Okay, if you go back to as early as February 6th, 2026, BTC touched 59k region. Okay, and bounced back again. Yesterday we experienced a downfall to 59 region again, and there was a rejection from there. So don't forget, in all this downtrend, this our zone is still trying to know if we can hold BTC or not. I told you, if this zone failed to hold BTC, just expect BTC around 54 to 50k region. It's as simple as that. Okay, so don't forget that on a general note, as I told you from the first day of this month, I told you I'm more bearish than bullish. Okay, if you should check weekly to see, understand what's Bitcoin is doing on the weekly, we know that Bitcoin is likely to form this double bottom from here, and if you check monthly, you'll still understand that we are still in alignment that can push up to the upside. Okay, don't forget, this is still the first week of this month, and you can see how bearish the market is. Okay, can this downtrend continue? Of course, yes, it can continue if the zone fail to hold BTC and push it to the upside. Okay, so don't get it twisted. We are still on a downtrend on BTC. And again, more importantly, yesterday there was an economic data that was released, which is the NFP, and that data came out to be very strong in favor of the United States dollars. So that if you watch yesterday after the release of that data, all bets against the US dollar was crashing so massively. Gold was crashing, BTC was crashing, EU, USD was crashing. Every bet that was against the US dollar was crashing so much, was selling so massively yesterday. And the reason is because of the fact that the data came out higher than expected. Okay, the focus was around 80 something k, so thereabout, but the data came around 170 something k thereabout. Can't really figure out the exact figure now. Okay, so and this thing usually happens. This is one thing that usually happens anytime the US economy is gaining strength. Because what happened is the fact that the number of employment added exceed the number of employment, which means that the US economy is very healthy. And anytime this happens, the government have no reason to reduce interest rates. The essence of interest rate is to support the economy. So if the economy is doing well, there's no point in supporting the economy that is doing well. So this is why the US dollar became so strong. So that's why I told you that this downtrend can continue. Gold can continue selling, BTC can continue selling, and every other pair, I guess US dollar can continue selling. Don't forget, the World Cup is upon us, and most transaction and every transaction is being a lot of people are demanding more